died a long, slow and painful death along with cold calling, cold email.
What's next for AI agents?
We're going to see what's called swarm of agents. So we're going to see...
If you talk about like 75% of all the content was AI assisted.
ChatGPT or Perplexity. So Perplexity turned out to be the game changer in this.
Are you implementing any of these automation tools? Because if you're not, trust me, your competitors are.
I go and I learn something new.
Only way to measure success is...
Hi, I'm Sanjana and I'm the creator of All About B2B Marketing. Conversations with global marketing leaders.
I'm a chief revenue officer.
No signups, no barriers, just valuable insights to help you.
They normally make a short list of 3, 4, 5 vendors, discuss it internally and eventually make a decision.
As companies are failing because they don't have...
What we consistently say is,
What's the best way to get started without wasting months on trial and error?
One of the simplest ways to do that